Hi everyone. So let's start with a simple idea. Most AI systems today wait for us to tell them what to do, right? But what if AI could understand a goal and work toward it on its own? That shift from responding to acting is what AI agents are all about. For a long time, AI has worked like a command based system. You give an input, you get an output. AI agents represent the next step. They don't just respond, they take initiative. This is why AI is no longer seen as just software, it's starting to behave more like a collaborator. At its core, an AI agent is defined by goal orientation. So instead of being told how to do something, it's told what outcome is needed. From there, the agent plans steps, uses tools, takes action, and adjusts based on result. This goal driven behavior is what separates agents from traditional AI tools. This comparison is important. AI tools are reactive, they wait for prompts and respond once. AI agents are proactive, they work through a goal across multiple steps. That's why we say tools helps you think faster, but agents helps you get work done. Behind the scenes, AI agents follow a structured loop. They define a plan, execute actions, observe outcomes, and improve decisions. This same feedback loop exists in robotics, automation system, and human learning. It's not random behavior, it's controlled, iterative decision making. Now this isn't experimental anymore. AI agents are already being used to resolve customer support tickets, qualify sales leads, write and debug code, and manage marketing workflows. Very important. Organizations use agents because they reduce repetitive workload and increase consistency. So, why is all of this happening now? Because three things matured at the same time: reasoning capable language models, tool and system access, and memory. So, when these combined, AI moved from reactive systems to automation ones. Of course, autonomy comes with responsibility. AI agents can make mistakes, act on incomplete data, or raise privacy concerns. So that's why real world deployment emphasize human oversight, safety checks, and controlled autonomy. So the next time someone tells you that AI is going to take over your jobs, tell them that it still requires human oversight and safety checks continuously. So the goal isn't blind automation, it's reliable automation. Looking ahead, the future isn't one AI doing everything. It's multiple agents working together, planning, executing, reviewing with humans guiding decision. So it'll not be like there will be one AI and it'll doing all works for you. You will need multiple AI integration and the correct training. So this is why AI agents are seen as augmentation, not replacement. To summarize, AI agents can think in terms of goals, act across multiple steps, and continuously improve. They don't just change AI, they change how work itself is structured. Before we wrap up, I have a question for you. AI agents mainly operate using which approach? The options are on your screen. Take a moment to think about it and drop your answer in the chat box. There's no rush, just go with what makes the most sense based on what we discussed. We'll review the answers right after this. If you are interested in learning how AI agents are actually designed, deployed, and used in real workflows, there's a limited time offer available using the code shown on the screen. It includes both the course and the community access. So thank you for your attention. I am looking forward to seeing your answers in the chat box. Bye.